Greetings and welcome back to the channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is David Pearson and I'll be reading for you one of my favorite passages. For more information about me, you can check in the description box below. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And join us every morning for a new reading at 5 o'clock Jamaican time. Thank you.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, I'm going to read from Galatians 5:13 to 26. Brother and sister, God called us so that we could free from the Judean law. But that means we can go and live any way you want to live. One of you do a serve and love one another. When you look upon it, all the law really I tell you one of you do have to love one neighbor like you love one yourself. But if you keep on a bite and sharp one another, like on a wild animal, you better watch out, because you now go mash up on one another. May I tell you now, live on a life like how God's Spirit says you to live. That way there, you now go be into sin and do all the wrong things where you ever want to do. Because the wrong things them, where the body wants to do, the Spirit don't want that. And the sitting them where the Spirit wants to do, the body don't want that. The two of them ever fight with them one another. And so make on the can't always do what you want to do. But if God's Spirit lead you, the law no power over you. All of we know about the sitting them where people do when they make them body control them. Them the people that slip round with everybody and everything. The mind and heart dirty. Them no control over themselves. The people who make them body control them worship all kind of false gods and walk up here. Them treat people hard and them love cuss and fight. Them bad mind people for what them have and it not take nothing to set them off. The people them want make them body control them ever want people to respect them, but them not respecting the body. Them hungry business with themselves. Them cause people to split up and them hungry talk to them friends. And them want our other people have. Them the people that ever drink too much and got all kind of wild party. And them the kind of sitting there them love do. They are one on the just like how we did one on the before. The one them will make them body control them and we do all this sitting them what we just talk about, them never can take part in a God kingdom. But God's Spirit calls people to love everybody and always happy no matter what. It calls them to live good with people, not to love fight and to always take time with other people. The Spirit make them kind and make them ever do good for people. It calls them to be somebody where people can trust. The Spirit make them gentle and make them know how to control themselves. No law, not about where we tap you from live so. The people them will belong to Jesus Christ. Now make them body rule them. Them not do the wicked sitting them where them body well want to do. Them tap them sitting there. It coming like say them nail them up on the cross and kill them. So since God's Spirit give we life, make we live all the Spirit want we to live. Make we not get full of ourselves and think so we're better than other people. Make we not provoke one another and make we not ready eye for one another sitting there. And God was this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.